Audrey Puentes here now with our full forecast. Hi, Audrey.
Hi, Arthur. It turned out to be a really nice weekend across the tri-state area. A lot of folks were out enjoying the warm weather. Temperatures were above average yet again on this Sunday. We hit a high of 80 degrees in Central Park after a morning low of 66. The record high in the state, 92. That was back in the 1920s. Right now, we're sitting in the 60s across the region, including Bridgeport, Islip, into White Plains, and even up in Poughkeepsie, checking in at 63 degrees. That's the same number we're finding down the shore in Belmar, where it was a really nice beach day. Temperatures are running a little bit cooler than they were at this time yesterday, and our winds a little breezy in the city, but everyone else is seeing relatively light winds, and that should be the case as we go through the rest of the evening here. We have mainly clear skies across the region. In fact, much of the Northeast is experiencing this tranquil weather pattern. It's all courtesy of this area of high pressure, which is sitting just to our east here. We have a couple of low pressure centers moving across the nation, kind of bringing some precipitation across areas of the U.S., but the one that we're really focused on here is this one down towards the southeastern states. The National Hurricane Center is also keeping a close eye on it, and they've actually classified it as a potential tropical cyclone, number 8. That means that it doesn't quite have its tropical cyclone formation just yet, but when they classify it as this means they can now start issuing some tropical storm watches across parts of the southeastern states, which they've actually done so. Right now, its winds are at about 45 miles per hour. It's expected to work inland here. It's already bringing heavy rains to this part of the East Coast, and the remnants will kind of move inland here, and they will be affecting our area as we go into the second half of the week. We still have Gordon out here. It's now been downgraded to a tropical depression. However, it's actually anticipated to regenerate into the possible tropical storm as we go into the end of the week, but it's going to stay out in the Atlantic and is not going to be a main threat to any land areas. So look at the futurecast here back at home. Again, we're under the influence of high pressure sitting just to our east, so that's going to bring us a really quiet evening tonight. Tomorrow, we'll start off with some sunshine, especially north of the city. You'll see more in the way of clouds across southern New Jersey and eastern Long Island, but mostly it'll be a mixed sky across the entire tri-state area. Tuesday, a different story. We're going to see more clouds rolling in. They're coming in advance of that system that's sitting just to our south here. That's a potential tropical cyclone number 8. And we'll start to see the first rain bands work their way northward here late Tuesday night going into Wednesday. And starting on Wednesday, we're going to start to see an increasing chance of scattered showers in our region and maybe a steadier rain as we go into Thursday. So 63 will be tonight's low temperature. It'll be comfortable and it will be dry. Tomorrow, a nice day, 78, a mixed sky across the region. A beautiful start to the week here. Enjoy it because things start to go downhill after that. We have more clouds coming in on Tuesday. Rain returns to the region. Scattered showers likely on Wednesday. Steadier rainfall on Thursday due to the remnants of what will be what is right now tropical cyclone number 8. And we'll see how that pans out to see if it further develops. But by the end of the week, things look much drier and much better as we go into the upcoming weekend, which is also when we usher in the fall season. Stay tuned. More of the 10 o'clock news will be back right after this commercial break.
This